Let us consider the compilation and linking process. We have stored our first program in rvd.c program file. This file exists inside the current directory or folder. Okay. Now we know that in the very first program we have used the library function, the standard library function, namely printf. We also know that this printf library function is declared in stdio.h header file. This header file is available inside the subdirectory of TurboC, namely include. Okay. Now the preprocessor will include or insert the stdio.h header file into rvd.c program file. So when you press Ctrl F9, the preprocessor will come into picture, and immediately this preprocessor will replace or insert the header files in the program file. Is it clear? Well, so first phase is over, and after insertion of stdio.h header file into rvd.c program file, we got the bigger file rvd.c. I say bigger because definitely the size of rvd.c is increased after the inclusion of stdio.h header file. Now see, when you press Ctrl F9, we want to compile the program, and here the tc.exe, the compiler of TurboC, will play an important role. The tc.exe or TurboC compiler converts the rv.c this file into the rv.obj file. You see, compiler will convert the source file into object file. What is this object file? It is nothing but a machine code. Suppose if you are using Intel machine, then you will get machine code for your Intel machine. Is it clear? So your compiler has converted your program file into machine file, and now name of that file is rvd.obj. Is it clear? Well, now let us discuss the third phase, that is a linking phase. Now here in that case, we know that the printf library function is, the source code of this library function is available inside the lib subdirectory of TurboC directory. We have seen this fact. These library files contain the source code of all the standard library functions. So the the object code of all standard library functions is available inside the library directory. So this object code or machine code of printf library function and the rvd.obj, this file, linker will combine. Linker will link. I'll repeat this process. rvd.obj and the machine code of printf library function will be linked together using tlink.exe or linker of the TurboC, and it produces another file, namely rvd.exe. This rvd.exe is a executable version of the program. Is it clear to you? Well, I'll repeat the process again. In the beginning we got rv.c file. After that we have included the stdio.h header file in it using preprocessor. The outcome is rv.c, this file. After that, TurboC linker or TurboC compiler has compiled it and converted it into machine code. The name of the file is rvd.obj. This rv.obj is linked to the machine code of printf library function using tlink.exe or linker of Turbo C. This linker produces the file, namely rvd.exe. It is a executable file. Is it clear?